ensure automatic closing of inlets in case of rain. dol-111 is an optical rain detector with built-in optical probes for rain detection. dol-111 rain detector can be connected to a climate computer to ensure automatic closing of inlets in case of rain. The rain detector can give a signal when it rains over or below 6.35 millimeters per hour. The sensor can be used in temperatures between -40 and +60 degrees Celsius. The rain detector is made of UV-resistant polycarbonate, UV-stable ABS, stainless steel, and has a silicone O-ring to protect the circuit board from rain. dol-111 is designed to override cycle programs, stopping the system during rainfall and keeping it off for a while after rain has fallen. Thus, it can be used with irrigation controllers for stopping sprinklers at the field, for example. Learn more at www.dol-sensors.com.